In this video, I am going to show you how you could find out top 2 or top 3 or top 5 products or any top 10 products just by using dynamic filter in a Power BI. Okay, so purpose of this video is to use dynamic filter to find out top 5 or top 3 products by sales, or you could use any other measure. Okay, so let's move on to the video. First of all, take a new sheet, new blank report. Okay, get data. You could skip this part or directly move to the where you want to find out value well. So here this is in a code form, so transform this into uh, date format. So date, click add new step. Yeah, then actual date have been come. So explore this data. First of all, understand what this data is telling us. Okay, so if you come to the Excel sheet, then you could find out that export sales, this data is basically is a export sales of Indian product to various countries with a one domestic sales in India, and the sales value range from 10 lakh to 89 lakh, and the order is span from January to July 2022. Okay, so you could understand this data set. This data set is basically a sales data set, export sales data sets to various countries. Basically, these all are the Indian product. Okay, and how how much sales they have in India as well as other countries. So these are the sales value. Okay, so we just have to find out the top 2 or a top 3 or top 5 products by sale. Okay, so let's move on. Just forward or skip this part or directly move to the real part. Okay, if you want to. Okay, so dataset has been loaded. Okay, now yeah, sales value have been come there. Okay, yeah, so first of all, understand 2 or 3 things there before moving further. Okay, first first we have to learn about rank expansion. Okay, rank expansion. So what is rank X? uh, rank X basically provides ranks based on particular expression, based on particular table, how how they are ranked. Okay, so so rank syntax is, first we have to put table and then expression and then value and then order and then ties. So tables that where the ranking is applied, so we have to choose the table where the ranking is applied. Expression, numerical expression. Okay, expression means sum of sales or a total sales. Okay, so we have, you could sum up or you could create a measure. Okay, or directly put in an expression part, uh, or or in a table you have to put the table like in this video we have to put the put to product table. Okay, and value, you could skip this part. Okay, if skip this part for alternative values, the default result. Okay, for default result you could skip this part, and the order is basically sorting order. Okay, here sorting order. Okay, yeah, sorry, yeah, sorting order, sorting order. Okay, highest value get a 1. If you use decrease. For ties, how to handle ties. If you use skip, then it could skip. Okay, if you use dense, then it basically dense means after 2 they will come 3, not a 4. Here 4 is come because they skip 3 there. Okay, now we have learned about rank expansion. Okay, so let's create a measure first of all. So enter data. It's, hmm, okay, now in okay, okay, huh. Now in a now to create a ranking measure. Okay, ranking. So ranking is equal to rank x. Okay, rank x. Now table name is real sales data. Okay, real sales data. Expression is you could use here measure is best, but so so first of all create a measure first of all. Like measure is sum of total sales first of all, then move to ranking part. Sum of sales, total sale. Okay, total sales value. Okay, now create ranking function, ranking measure, ranking sum of. Okay, rank rank x, and then real sales data, it's a table name, and then sales total sales is expression, and then value just decreasing order because we want to give first for a highest sale. Okay, dense, we do not want to skip the part, and then clause. So we have ranked. So look into the matrix. Okay. Product name, product name, sales. Okay, and then ranking. Oh, they give same rank to all. Okay, so why they gave this rank to all? Yes, this problem generally come if you not use all function here. All function help us to eradicate or remove all filters in a table. So use all function here. Okay, okay, and then ranking will automatically come. Okay. So 10th rank is some T. First rank, why they give this to first rank? I have to just remove this subtotal. Yeah, So 89 lakh is first rank. Okay, now we have ranked it, and now next step is to create a table. Okay, so go to the, yeah, insert modeling, not having, but you could go there, table view, and then you just click on a new table. Okay, go to the home tab and then click new table. Okay, top products. Okay, so top 2 products, top 3 products, top 3 products, and top, okay, top 5 products. Now click on a filter, slicer, tile slicer, top products, and put the value here. It's not working now. So how it could work? Okay, it's basically a filter, but without using this on a particular measure, you could not you could not take work from this. Okay, so how it could work? So move to next part, next part. Okay, so we just create a new measure. Okay, before creating measure, I just want to discuss some function here. Okay, okay, select value function. So what is select value function? Select value function is a DEX function that return the selected value from a column. It's basically return the selected value from the column. Okay, whatever value you have selected, like if I have selected top 3 products, then they will only this function will only extract top 3 products. Okay, return the selected value from the column. Okay, if they only selected one distinct value, if they selected multiple value, then they will show default value or a blank. Okay, so look into the syntax part of selected value, table and column name. Okay, and alternative result, whatever result you want. If you have choose or if you have choose more than one value. Okay, column for which you want to retrieve, an alternative result. Okay, selected value only one. Okay, next look into the example here. You could look there, but now I have to do some work. Okay, if you not know about switch function is basically a if if else function. Okay, but switch function is more readable and more readable. Okay, than if function, and they work much better than if function. Okay, so first of all, look into the switch function. The switch function in a DEX is like more readable version of a multiple if statement. It evaluate an expression and return the result based on a matching condition. Whatever condition is matched, then it just return the value. Okay, so look in, this is the expression value you are checking. Okay, value you are checking, Sli slicer selection. Okay, slicer selection like status. Okay, status is in this case, status is a slicer. So, or in our example, top products are the slicer. top products are slicer, so we will choose top product here. Okay, now top product, and switch if completed, then success if pending, then in process, uh, and it default, for default unknown. So look into the practicality here. Okay, how we could use switch or other function. Okay, switch select function. Okay, switch or select function here. So create a new message. Okay, so we just find out top n products. Okay, use variable. var means variable. Selected top. Let me see. Selected top. Okay, use selected value function. Selected value function. Okay, and then just choose here top top. Just choose here selected value, top products value. Okay, whatever value here choose, we choose like a top 5, then this value automatically they select. So top, selected top. Okay, so if I choose top 5 products, then they automatically select value function only select top 5 product. Okay, now next step is var top n. Okay, so use if. Switch function is just like a if function. Okay, switch. Okay, so selected top. Okay, selected top. Selected top is greater than selected top. Okay, is equal to, means selected top means what? Selected top, uh, basically if I click top 3 product. Okay, if I click on a top 3 product, then this selected value function automatically fetch that we are clicking on a top 3 product, and this top 3 product move to there. Okay, top 3 product switch. If switch function, if consider if top selected top function is equal to top 2, then convert them into 2. Okay, same do for all. Top 3 and then top 5. 99 1. This is largest value I have given there, because uh, if nothing is nothing is selected, then automatically they will include all the values. Okay, so then close the bracket, return what? If ranking is less than or equal to top n, less than or equal to top n, why top n, why they have not created them. Okay, sorry. Yeah, if ranking Okay, top n. Then result value is total sale. Okay. If ranking is less than or equal to top n. Okay. Top n means 2, 2, 3 or 5. Less than 2, 3 or 5, then return sales value, or a 9 something, 9,000, I don't know, 99,000 or 99 lakh. It's a large value. And then if these values are not there in a top n, then return blank. All the blank will not come. So top n products are created. Now copy this, look into the photo. Okay, so remove all of this, and then top n products sale. Yeah, I have not selected any value, then all products are included there. Okay, I just write sales. Okay, top 3 products, top 3 products, top 5 products, top 5 products. Okay, so this is the way you could use dynamic function there, or you could use dynamic function, or you can create your own measure, or create a dynamic filtering in a Power BI. Thank you so much. If you like this, if you watch this video,